As the largest country in the Middle East, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has a rich and diverse landscape. It's home to the ruins of the Nabatean Kingdom in Al-Ula, the Rub al Khali Desert, luxurious beach resorts in Jeddah, and the mountains of Taif, where roses bloom alongside groves of the most sought-after dates in the world. The capital, Riyadh, offers a fascinating juxtaposition of ancient souks and modern skyscrapers, along with natural wonders like the cliffs of Edge of the World Park just outside the city. A symbol of modern Riyadh, since it was completed in 2002. The Kingdom Center contains a mixed-use program that has made it one of the most active and thriving places in the city. Its iconic 300-meter all-tower houses offices, a 5-star hotel, luxury apartments, and condominiums, culminating in an inverted catenary arch spanned by a glass skybridge observatory. At the tower's base, 2 symmetrical wings embrace the city, toward the east and west, with landscaped public gardens filling out the remainder of the block. The West Wing features a 4,400 square meter, 2-story venue that accommodates up to 1,200 people for events, and also contains private meeting rooms, royal suites, and specialty restaurants. The East Wing houses the award-winning Al-Mamlakah Mall, a 56,000 square meter shopping experience with 161 stores on 3 spacious levels. The mall includes international department stores like Debenhams and Saks Fifth Avenue, as well as luxury retailers, including Louis Vuitton and Gucci. Structurally, the building consists of 2 systems. For the first 180 meters, reinforced concrete columns and beams connected to a reinforced concrete core carry the load down to the 4-meter-thick, 3,100 square meter raft foundation. The building's remaining height is supported by a more versatile steel structure, due to the complex shape created by the inverted arch opening at the top. On the exterior, the Kingdom Center is wrapped in a sophisticated glass curtain wall that is engineered with a special heat-resistant coating to withstand the typically strong sunlight of the region. Unoccupied floors surrounding the inverted arch opening are clad in a matching metal panel to create a seamless architectural form. The magnificent Boulevard Riyadh City is back and ready to take you beyond your imagination into its 9 majestic subzones. It holds a spot for everyone from all age groups and various interests, be it shopping lovers, sports fans, adventurous spirits, music enthusiasts, and more. There is always something exciting for everyone. The Boulevard Riyadh City is one of the most prominent and largest attractions of the Riyadh season, and it will become a permanent entertainment center in the capital. The areas include restaurants, cafes, parks, international game centers, festivals, and stores that cater to all age groups, in addition to a golf course, 12 tennis courts, a multi-use global arena, an ice rink, a children area with 500 electronic games, and more than 20,000 parking spaces. If you are visiting the Eastern Province in Saudi Arabia, a visit to Corniche Al Khobar is highly recommended. This seafront promenade stretches up to the city of Dammam and has all kinds of activities and facilities lined up for the visitors. There is plenty of greenery along the coast, so visitors can sit there and enjoy the spectacular sea views. There is a 3-story Kobar water tower on the island near the coast and is visible from the seafront. There are multiple coffee shops and restaurants with indoor and outdoor seating, as well as shopping centers. The entire Corniche has multiple restaurants that offer local food, as well as a number of diverse cuisines from all over the world. The Kobar Tower also has a restaurant at the top from where diners can enjoy the view of the sea and city as they eat their food. From the Earth to the Moon, and from the prehistoric ages to the modern ages, the hallways of the Saudi National Museum will take you on an adventure that transcends time and space. You will witness artistic and historical evidence in the heart of Riyadh, in Al Murabba neighborhood near King Abdulaziz Palace. The museum was opened in 1,419 hours and spans across a distance of 17,000 square kilometers, where it tells the story of 3,700 artifacts, such as statues, scripts, and unique sculptures. The museum events allow you to capture the joy of festivities in the dedicated photography corners. This happens whenever the museum hosts seasonal interactive activities on holidays and national occasions. During these events, the museum foyer is brought to life with artistic live performances in an atmosphere filled with the joy of adults and children alike. Coming from the future, before it was even launched, this is how NEOM came about. NEOM will introduce a new model for urban sustainability powered by 100% renewable energy. It will adopt environmental responsibility principles that promote sustainable and regenerative development practices. NEOM will be a hub for innovation, where established global businesses and emerging players can research, incubate, and commercialize groundbreaking technologies to accelerate human progress. Commerce and industry will be integrated into communities to build supply chains that facilitate innovative and efficient operations. NEOM reimagines urban living by establishing walkability as its cornerstone. Communities will be built on a physical and digital infrastructure layer containing essential utilities and transportation services integrated below the surface. NEOM will be built around people, not cars, and designed for convenience and walkability. Adopting a pedestrian-first approach, all amenities will be within a 5-minute walk. Visible from all across the city, King Fahd Fountain is a much-loved Jeddah landmark and a 30-year-old monument in the middle of the Red Sea. At 312 meters high, its waters decorate the sunset of Jeddah, and whether you are thinking of taking a picture or a video of that magical scene, seeing the fountain will not seem impossible no matter how far away you are. As the spectacular display of the fountain continues, you can walk around and try different kinds of food along the various stalls in Al Hamra Corniche. 7 is the most popular kiosk on the walkway. Red Sea Mall is a shopping mall located in the northern suburb of Jeddah. It covers approximately 242,200 square meters of built area. There is a hotel attached to it called De Loft Jeddah. Main facilities are Danube Supermarket, Sparky's Games City, Virgin Megastore, and Jeddah's first cinema, the Vox Cinema. Some restaurants inside the mall include Applebee's, P.F. Chang, Texas Roadhouse, Five Guys, Shake Shack, McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, Al Bake Express, and Nando's. The basic design is a curved building, 120, with the main entrance, the center, the inner curve leading to a set of central courts. At the end, don't forget to subscribe and leave your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.